Have you spent the last few months perfecting your favorite 30-minute meal? Great. Now enter to win the Partnership for Food Safety Education's National Safe Recipe Contest. Your winning recipe could be shared with thousands of other people. What's a safe recipe? It's a recipe that includes simple food safety steps, so when you, or anyone, uses the recipe, you'll be reducing your risk of food poisoning. Research shows that safe recipes work. 90% of people wash their hands using recipes with safety instructions, while only 59% wash their hands using a recipe without a safety prompt. PFSE's Safe Recipe Style Guide walks you through the process of writing a safe recipe. If you're a health educator, a food writer, a kid with a passion for cooking, or work for a food retailer or grocery store, you'll want to enter. It's easy to do. Simply go to our website, submit your original main dish recipe written using a Safe Recipe Style Guide and a high-quality photo. While you're there, check out our site. We have tons of simple, shareable food safety information, including kid-friendly recipes, games, and activities. Category winners will receive a cash prize of $50 and be featured in an online cookbook distributed to thousands of people through fightback.org. One grand prize winner will receive a total cash prize of $100, be featured in the Safe Recipes online cookbook, and see their winning recipe developed into a professionally produced video in English and Spanish. How cool is that? Winners will be announced in September 2020 during an online event. Don't forget to follow us and tell us you entered, and sign up for our email so you won't miss any news about the contest. Bang your pots and pans and get ready to enter your recipe before the deadline of August 17th, 2020. All the information you need is on our website. Delicious and safe. Be sure to enter, and good luck.